Welcome to the beautiful relief of the effortless unfolding. Take a deep, luxurious breath of this pristine golden moment. You have arrived. And what a magnificent, breathtaking arrival it is. You have officially entered the space where the heavy lifting is completely, beautifully over. Where the need to push, to strive, to strategically position yourself has completely dissolved into the light. You are here. You are whole. You are entirely, radiantly divine. And because you are resting in this absolute truth, the universe is currently putting on a spectacular show entirely for your benefit. Look around you. Look at the space you are occupying right now. It may seem quiet. It may seem still. But beneath the surface of that stillness, everything is moving. Everything is shifting. Everything is joyously reorganizing itself to match the absolute perfection of your state. You have stepped out of the old paradigm of effort. You have completely seen through the illusion that you must somehow force the world to give you what you want. And you have stepped into the magnificent flowing river of the seamless reality. In the seamless reality, there is no friction. There is no resistance. There is no delay between the beautiful assumption of your heart and the physical manifestation of your life. They are one. Your consciousness and your physical world are a single, continuous, unified field of grace. And because you know this, because you have mastered this profound, foundational truth, your only job right now is to simply watch it all unfold. Feel the incredible lightness that comes with this realization. Let it soften the muscles in your face. Let it relax your shoulders. Let it melt away any lingering thought that you need to be doing something more. You are already doing the most powerful thing in the universe. You are simply being. You are resting in the always present awareness. And from this high, luminous, unshakable throne, you get to watch the physical evidence of your own power arrive at your doorstep. It is arriving today. It is arriving tomorrow. It will continue to arrive for the rest of your beautiful, expansive life. Because the natural state of your existence is absolute abundance. The natural state of your existence is profound success. The natural state of your existence is extreme, unconditional love. You do not have to build these things from scratch. You do not have to earn them through struggle. You simply have to allow them to find you. And they are finding you. Right now. In this very second. Imagine the magnificent machinery of the universe turning silently and perfectly, all to bring a smile to your face. People you have not even met yet are making decisions that will ultimately bless your life. Opportunities are being formed out of thin air, specifically tailored to your unique, brilliant desires. Paths are being cleared, doors are being opened, and the red carpet is being joyously rolled out for your arrival. Not because you demanded it, but because you assumed it. Because you recognized that you are the creator, and the creator is always, always provided for. This is the effortless unfolding. This is the reward for recognizing your own divinity. And you have recognized it so beautifully. You are reading these words right now because you are a master. You are a master of your own focus. You are a master of your own identity. You have chosen to completely identify with the version of yourself who already has everything. And because you have made that choice, the mirror of reality has absolutely no option but to reflect it back to you. It is a law. A beautiful, flawless, joyous law of the unified field. When you are complete inside, your external world must become complete. When you are at peace inside, Your external world must become peaceful. When you are overflowing with quiet certainty, your external world must overflow with the exact things you are certain about. There is no guesswork here. There is no rolling the dice. There is only the absolute mathematical precision of your own consciousness reflecting itself in physical form. If you are feeling the truth of this expanding in your chest right now, let this moment be a physical, tangible celebration of your mastery. Declare your presence in this beautiful space. Subscribe to this frequency of effortless receiving. Like this transmission as a joyous, celebratory anchor of your own magnificent alignment. Join this brilliant, shining community of creators who have all realized that the struggle was only ever an illusion. Every single time you engage with this channel, you are simply saying a radiant yes to the effortless unfolding of your own life. You are confirming that you have stepped completely into your power. And we celebrate you. We honor the stunning clarity that you bring to this world. Now, let this understanding sink even deeper into your being. Let it become the very oxygen you breathe. Think about a desire you have held in your heart, a beautiful vision for your life, a level of freedom or connection or wealth that you have chosen to experience. In the old world, you might have wondered how it was going to happen. You might have tried to calculate the steps. You might have felt the subtle, quiet pressure of needing to figure it out. But in the seamless reality, the how is entirely irrelevant. The how is the universe's joyful responsibility. Your responsibility is only the what and the already done. And you have already done that perfectly. You have claimed it. You have known it. And so, the effortless unfolding takes over. It weaves the circumstances together with a level of genius that the human mind could never possibly orchestrate. It connects the dots in ways that will leave you absolutely breathless with gratitude. It delivers the outcome with a perfect, impeccable sense of timing. And all you have to do is keep your hands off the steering wheel. All you have to do is sit back in the luxurious passenger seat of your own life and enjoy the beautiful scenery as you are driven directly to your destination. Notice how good it feels to let go of the need to control the details. Notice the incredible, expansive freedom that washes over you when you realize you do not have to manage the universe. The universe knows exactly what it is doing, because the universe is simply you. It is the infinite, boundless extension of your own always present awareness, and it loves you completely. It cherishes your desires. It considers your joy to be its highest, most sacred priority. Let yourself be loved like this. Let yourself be fully, unconditionally supported by the fabric of reality itself. When you walk outside today, look at the trees, look at the sky, look at the movement of the world around you. See it all as a magnificent, silent symphony playing entirely for you. Every single piece of it is moving in harmony with your highest good. Even the things that used to look like delays, even the things that used to look like detours, you now see them for what they truly are. They are the careful, loving, meticulous preparations of the unified field. They are the universe making sure that everything is absolutely perfectly aligned before it hands you your manifestation. So you never have to panic. You never have to rush. You never have to check your watch. You just smile. You smile the quiet, knowing smile of someone who has already read the final chapter of the book and knows that the ending is completely magnificent. This is the state of effortless living. This is what happens when you stop treating reality as something separate from you and start treating it as your closest, most devoted friend. It responds to your ease. It responds to your trust. It responds to your absolute, unwavering joy. So give it your joy. Give it your beautiful, relaxed, confident expectation. Wake up every morning and simply wonder, how beautifully will the universe surprise me today? How effortlessly will my desires land at my feet today? And then watch it happen. Watch the messages arrive. Watch the funds clear. Watch the relationships blossom into pure, unconditional harmony. Watch the physical evidence of your own divine consciousness spill into your daily life. You do not have to work for it. You do not have to earn it. You just have to welcome it. Open your arms. Open your mind. Open your completely perfect heart. You are the receiving dish for the absolute best the universe has to offer. And the signal is coming in loud, clear, and perfectly unobstructed. There is no interference. There is no static. There is only the pure, beautiful transmission of your own mastery. Let this feeling become your permanent home. Let this deep, effortless peace become the foundation of every single day. You have navigated the old illusions and you have emerged entirely victorious. You are standing in the clear, bright, brilliant light of the natural state. And from here, everything is easy. Everything is joyful. Everything is perfectly, flawlessly aligned. You have done beautifully. You have allowed the unfolding to begin. And I am so profoundly happy to witness this arrival with you. Anchor this joyous, effortless truth into your physical reality right now. Let the entire universe know that you are completely open, completely relaxed, and completely ready to receive. Comment below. Everything is effortlessly aligning for me. And so it is. And so you are. Forever.